says.
Is that it?
Actually, is that? Yes! Huzzah! I'm Dan Scott from Laurentian University. Who's used Zotero citation management? Cool. So we're using Zotero at Laurentian University to build a labor studies bibliography. And then we're going to use it to build a bibliography of all of the work that our researchers have done at the university. So in a linked data context, Zotero is great, except it's all strings, which makes me very sad, as it should you. Labourstudies.ca is the very early prototype pilot of what we're rolling out, this platform. And we use Zotero because it gives you the group library functionality. So you can have 4 or 5 researchers all contributing to the bibliography. And my colleague, Desmond Maley, is unpacking the chapters that are described within books. So he's really making a lot of the content available. So it's high value. But the group library that you get with the default Zotero experience is pretty slow. So I had said at the very outset this would be a great idea, it'd be easy to build something based on it, and then I ended up waiting until sort of the last minute. So the first pass was to take the RIS export. I looked at the mods output, I looked at the Zotero RDF output, and it was extremely confusing and missing chunks, identifiers that didn't actually lead anywhere internally. So RIS is very easy to understand. However, it has its own problems. The great side of things is that it's very easy to add in URIs for a niche bibliography collection after the fact, since you have known names that you're going to be dealing with. You don't have to deal with the entire universe of bibliographic information. And it's super cheap running on Google Compute Engine. So open source, of course, openly licensed data, github.com/dbs/riz2web. And it looks something like that, nice and responsive. Most importantly, it's got schema.org linked open data for the authors showing up. So we've got just a couple of different categories for that, just same as identifiers for YAF and ISNI, as well as the websites for the authors' homepages. But the big problem with Riz is that it sucks. And even when you find a bug where data is being dropped silently, the response of the Zotero team was, just don't use it. And if you send them a patch to fix that bug, they'll throw it away. They really don't want to deal with it. And as I mentioned, all the other exports are a problem as well. So our approach is going to be, phase 2 is just going to take the SQLite database underneath, transform it to Postgres, like everything should be, and then build from there. So, thank you.